Hello and welcome back to EGMG's YouTube channel. We are so glad you could join us here for the month of June, as our product highlight is our industrial safety line. EGMG has an entire industrial safety line that it can provide to your manufacturing plant to protect your employees. Just a quick introduction, my name is Jessica Whiteknight. Now let's get into some of the products we can supply your manufacturing plant. So EGMG can help you reduce injuries, ensure compliance, manage risk, increase productivity, and lessen environmental impacts. We always get smart and use safety from the start here. Now, do you need quick and effective solutions, quality safety supplies, and reliable service? If so, Ayers Grove Management Group can provide you with your industrial safety products such as head and face protection, hearing and respiratory protection, hand and protective wear protection, first aid products, facility supplies, and fire extinguishers. Before we talk about those exact products, let's talk about why we need those products. Here are OSHA's Fatal 4, as we can see. There are falls, caught between objects, electrocutions, and struck by an object. Now, with industrial safety supplies and products, we can help eliminate those fatal 4, which could potentially save up to 591 workers' lives in America every year. Now, according to the OSHA workplace accident statistics, back in 2018, 5,250 workers were killed on the job. 338 of them were from fatal falls, 112 were struck by an object, 86 were from electrocutions, and 55 were caught in or between pieces of machinery. We want to help reduce those numbers in your manufacturing plant and in all of America. Now, here are some of the top 10 most frequently cited OSHA standards that we could help provide materials and products for so that inspections will go nicely. We can help provide items for fall protection, hazard communication standards, scaffolding, respiratory protection, control of hazardous energy such as lockout and tag out items, ladders, powered industrial trucks, fall protection, machinery, guards, and face and eye protection. We can do all of this by providing some of the best safety products from leading suppliers such as Honeywell, Radnor, 3M, Kimberly-Clark, Ansell, Miller, Bradley, and many more. So let's start first at the top, head protection. We offer quite a few safety helmets, hard hats, and welding helmets to protect all of your head needs. We can also provide face protection. We offer safety glasses with anti-fog, ultra anti-scratch, dielectric, UVA, and UVB protection as well. Now, respiratory protection. We can offer masks along with filters for those masks, which will protect employees from dust and fumes, mists, gases, vapors, as well as supplied air. So there are multiple choices here that you have. Now, let's talk about hearing safety. Do we know when we need earplugs? Do we know when we need earmuffs? Well, the comfortable sound is about 50 decibels. That's a normal sound. Now, we work our way up to 75 decibels, and that's non-hazardous noises, but it can cause some constraints on our hearing. Now, at 85 decibels, hearing protection must be made available. Now, at that level, it would be a handsaw or a shipyard arc from a welding shop. Those would be the type of sounds you would hear. At 90 decibels, hearing protection is required by OSHA. Those things might consist of an industrial fire alarm, a plasma arc from a cutting machine, or even the welding from the slag and chipping. Those types of sounds need hearing protection. And as you move up, you can see that unprotected noise protection for any duration is not safe. So we can offer quite a few options for the hearing protection. We have disposable foam plugs, push-in foam plugs, the remolded reusable foam plugs, banded ear plugs, passive earmuffs, regular earmuffs, and the electronic earmuffs as well. So we offer many different choices to protect you for all of your hearing needs. Now, we can talk about hand and protective workwear. If in your manufacturing plant and facility you need some rubber gloves, we have quite a few options of disposable rubber gloves. We also offer aprons to protect clothing, boots, and even harnesses. Now, along with that, we do have first aid supplies along with facility supplies. You can see, you can refill your first aid kits that are in your manufacturing plant. You can provide, pain relievers, eye drops, things for your employees. We also offer lockout tag out stations, so different facility supplies you might need, along with the rubber non-slip grip mats that will protect your employees from fall. Now, we can look here and see that we'll be able to offer quite a few different fire extinguishers, classes A, B, C, and D. If you're in need of a new fire extinguisher, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. So that would be the end of our presentation today. How can we help you keep your company and employees safe? We'd love to give you one of our industrial safety catalogs and guides. Just let us know the next time Doug Smith is in for a visit, or you can always send us an email or even a phone call, and we can get you one of our industrial safety guides, and you can check out some of the hearing and face protection along with the hand and workwear protection. Well, thank you again, and we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.